especially government leaders, and they've adopted a lot of Hitler's ideologies of a supreme race. And it was really a demonic infiltration about the supreme race idea, which brought stuff like apartheid and segregation in South Africa, which is totally demonic. And they went too far. And the pain of the situation is there's lots of places there's racism. But nobody labels it like our nation have labeled it. But it's all over the place. You see when this is stirring up. So we need to deal with this, because racism is one of the things that opens a portal to hell itself. And we need to be careful. Check your heart. Even in this season, God wants to bring you divine helpers of destiny. Naaman, the great Syrian leader that had leprosy, it was the maid in the house.